welcome back to my channel. My name is Cooper and I'm a 25-year-old cash budgeter who's saving for the future, specifically an emergency fund and a school fund. And I'm also the owner of Purely Budgets over on Etsy. In today's video, we have a different type of video that we're going to be doing. We are going to be setting up a brand new binder. Pretty much this binder is going to be one that I'm going to be implementing into my system starting in November. I am going to be switching out my mini Mondays for something completely different. I did just want to preface real quick, the sun is being covered by clouds, so the lighting is going to continuously change throughout this video, so I'm so sorry about that. I'm going to hopefully try to fix it when I edit the video, but there's not much I can do about it. But with that being said, I have my binder here. So this is my keyline binder from my Etsy shop. I will show you guys real quick. We got the gold interior, and then we have my logo or PB for Purely Budgets is engraved in the bottom. This is going to be the binder that I'm going to be using for this sort of episode, as I'm going to call it. But pretty much what I'm going to be implementing is a new series. I do mini Mondays every single Monday of the week. And I've decided, you know what, let's switch it up. I was going through challenges, getting rid of some, giving them to other creators that I knew would use them, specifically Chelsea over at Be It the Happy Turtle. And I noticed that I had a buttload of Disney challenges. And I decided, you know what, I think it's time, let's have a Disney binder. But I wanted something to be consistent. So we have Freebie Friday, Sunday Savings, Mini Mondays. I needed an M to switch out Mini Mondays for, which was a little difficult to do because I didn't want to be like Mickey Mouse Mondays. I did Mouse Mondays, didn't really like that. And then I stumbled upon Mouseketeer Mondays. So starting in November, we are going to be getting Mouseketeer Mondays, and pretty much what that is going to be a mini Monday, but with a bunch of Disney challenges. I have this binder here that we are going to build together that's going to be all Disney related. And then I'm also going to ask your guys' help to help me choose some challenges. So I'll give you an option between challenge 1 and like a challenge 2, and you guys can help me decide. The thing I'm going to be doing differently is instead of 6 challenges, I'm going to be doing 4. And the reason for that is majority of these Disney challenges are really high amounts. And if I do 6, it's going to take me forever to complete a challenge. And I would rather have 4, focus on 4, and try to complete as many of those as I can throughout the month. But with that being said, I'm just going to stop rambling. We're going to jump right into it. And let's see. So let me move this off to the side real quick. And I'm going to show you guys what I brought. So the first thing I brought was this binder decor that I created. It says, "The way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing" by Walt Disney. I wanted a Disney quote just to kind of go with, like I said, the Mouseketeer Mondays. And then we have my challenges insert here, which if you watch my Freebie Friday and my other mini Mondays, then you know that I have like a challenges envelope in here that houses like the next 4 or 5 or 6. And then we have my Mouseketeer Mondays bookmark. We have the green star dashboard, which you can find in my shop. And then I created this one to go behind it, which I kind of did a sneak peek for myself and it looks so cute. And then I have my envelopes here. So let me set all this off to the side and let's just go ahead and start putting some of this binder decor into here. So I don't want to do, we'll hold off on that for right now. I can't do anything with that. Okay, let's start off with this. So like I said, this is that quote, and pretty much what it is you're just going to slide it here and okay, there we go. So that's what it looks like. I don't have any other binder decor to go right here. I do need to either create some or buy some. I know Charms by Heavenly has some Disney charms that would be really cute in my binder, so I need to see about doing that. Let's see what's next. Okay, and then let's do the dashboards. And I don't know if I'm going to sell any of this. So this I just created for this specific binder as well as this dashboard. If there's a high want for these, then maybe I would sell them. But for right now, they were for personal use. But like, look at that. Look how pretty that is. I just love the way that came out. Okay, I don't know why I closed this. And then we'll put my Mouseketeer Mondays bookmark behind. And then let's go ahead and throw these in. I should have 5 here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. I think that should be, I think they should all be the right way. I have this weird thing that my envelopes have to be all the right way. because if not, my OCD starts to kick in, and they are. Okay. So this first envelope is always going to be my challenges envelope. So that pretty much just means that I'm gonna put my overstock or my ready to play challenges in here. So when I complete a challenge, I can just come into this envelope, grab one out and stick it into the next envelope. Okay, that's pretty much it. Like this is what I'm gonna show you guys. So this is what it looks like for right now. Obviously I need to get some extra binder decor here. We have this here, this binder quote. We have the Purely Stars dashboard with the Disney castle, and then we have my Mouseketeer Mondays. I think the stars looks honestly so good with this, just because like when you watch a Disney movie, they have that intro scene and it's gonna be the castle and it's got a little star that kind of goes over like a shooting star. So I feel like it fits very well with the theme. And then we have my challenges envelope here. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this and set this off to the side for right now, and let's talk challenges. So like I said, I am stacked full of challenges, and I kind of went through and organized these by creator. So the first, okay, let's do it this way. Okay, so I have Budget with Amanda here, and these are all going to be cardstock ones. So let's go ahead and take a look at these. Okay, so I'm gonna grab that one, and I kind of want to do, that's 30. I know that one's gonna say 30, that one's gonna say 40. Let's do one that's a little bit smaller. And this might seem a little chaotic here, but this is where I need your guys' help. So I have two challenges here, and this is what I'm gonna do. So for the first envelope, I'm gonna choose between these two from Budget with Amanda. So I have this one, which came from her, was it her August? Yeah, her August group play, because I didn't play September. So this is her August group play. It was Monsters University themed. And then this was a freebie over on her Ko-fi shop. And it was part of a princess. I think there was like 2 or 3 princesses in there. I can't remember, or it was all Tiana. And this one's 30. So we have a $30 one and we have a $24 one. This is gonna be option 1 and option 2. You guys let me know what you guys think I should play. And then we'll kind of go from there. I'll look at the comments and figure out what we're gonna do. But for now, once again, this is option 1 and this is option 2. So I'm gonna grab these and I'm gonna put them in my first envelope here. And whenever you guys help me make the decision, I will figure out which one we're going to play. The next one, let's go into, and I didn't plan any of this, so that's why it might seem like it's all over the place. Okay, let's do this. So we have these 3 here from Blake over at WalletWell. Personally, I'm just gonna throw my opinion out there. I think I wanna do the green to kind of match with the green, but you guys let me know. But we have option 1, 2, and 3. These are the Sanderson sisters. They're all gonna save me $70. So it doesn't really matter which one we choose, maybe just the one that's more aesthetic or your favorite character. Like I said, my personal opinion is maybe stick with the green, up to you guys. But we have 1, 2, and 3. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys think which one we should play. And that's gonna go into the envelope number 2. And then we will move on to number 3. And the other thing is I kind of want your guys' help to let me know, like, how should I play this? Should I play almost like a mini Mondays where I roll a D4 and put $2 on each like challenge? Should I roll a D6 and put the amount with face value? So if I roll a 1, put $1. If I roll a 2, $2, so on and so forth. I just want to know what you guys think on how I should play this. I knew I needed to do it, and now I just need to figure out the logistics of how we're gonna do it. The next one is going to be from Be the Happy Turtle. And I have 2 here. We're gonna stick with the green. So option 1 is gonna be Winifred, the Sanderson sisters, and option 2 is going to be Princess Tiana. We have icons from the movie. This one, I can choose each icon to be its own amount, and then it has a $25 bonus here. So it really depends. I haven't chosen the amounts per icons. This one has 3 different icons, so I'll probably roll a D6, and then maybe I'll roll a D4 for this one, and we'll kind of just go from there. But Sanderson sisters, Winifred's option number 1, and option number 2 is going to be Princess Tiana. Once again, let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. And then this will go in envelope number 3. And then the last envelope is going to be from my shop. So let's talk about it. So I have these 3 here, which come from, these were my Disneyland inspired challenges. And then I brought out a Halloween Town one. Halloween Town is a Disney original movie, which I grew up on watching, and it is probably the only Halloween movie that I consistently watch year round. So this is gonna be one of them, but I don't think we're gonna use these ones as options. Oh my God, I can't believe I'm doing this. Okay, so I'm sneak peeking something that's gonna be coming later this month. And depending on how you guys like in this video, maybe more will come, maybe different designs. Maybe, like I said, the binder decor I will also drop with these specific challenges, but these challenges I've been working on and I'm obsessed with them. So here is option 1. We have option 2 and 3. So these are the new challenges coming to my shop later this month. They will be releasing, there will be a video specifically highlighting each challenge and when I will be dropping them. But I thought, let's add it into the binder. Let's get these challenges played. So this is option 1 here. We have the iconic Disney icons from very specific things, the Mickey hat, the corn dog, the churro. We have the Yeti from Matterhorn, popcorn, It's a Small World, Splash Mountain, the original, not the new version. Dumbo and a few other things, and this is a Disneyland ticket up there if you guys don't know. That's what the original tickets actually used to look like back when Disneyland first opened. And then we have more Disney icon challenges down here. So this one's going to be our Disney icon characters. So we have the Matterhorn Yeti and we have Tinkerbell, which are very two iconic characters. And then over here we have Disneyland main attractions. So we have Big Thunder Mountain Railroad, which is represented by the goat. Which, if you guys know, there is a secret. When riding the ride, you want to watch the goat as you're taking that turn, and it will feel like the ride is going a lot faster than it actually is. And then we have the main centerpiece in both Disneyland and Disney World, which is going to be the castle. Granted, I don't know, I think this one might be the Disneyland castle, I want to say. I think this is going to be Aurora's castle, and then the one in Disneyland is is Cinderella's castle. The one in Disneyland or Disney World is Cinderella's castle. The one in Disneyland is going to be Sleeping Beauty's castle. So that's going to be those. So like I said, 1, 2, and 3. Let me know in the comments down below, and I'm going to put them in the order that I am talking about. So once again, we have option 1, we have option 2, and we have option 3 here. I just thought this would be a fun way for you guys to help me choose challenges. It might seem a little chaotic, but I want you guys to be involved in this, and I love when you guys put your input in on things. But let's do a flip through. Okay, so here's the flip through now that we have everything completely done. So once again, the binder decor, we have our dashboards and our bookmark, our challenges, and then we have the challenges we're going to be playing. So we have Budget with Amanda in envelope 1, Blake over at WalletWell with envelope 2. We have Chelsea at Be the Happy Turtle in section 3, and then we have my shop in section 4. So that is actually it for today's video. Once again, I'm so sorry if it seemed very chaotic. This was just one of those videos where I was like, you know what, we're gonna do it, you're gonna do it now, and bust the camera out and let's get going. So with that being said, if you guys have stayed to this point of this video, thank you guys so much, I really appreciate it. Make sure to leave your guys' comments down below which challenges you think I should play. And with that being said, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button and turn on all notifications if you haven't done so already. And with that being said, we'll see you in the next one.